Air fryers have taken the culinary world by storm, offering a healthier and more efficient way to enjoy your favorite crispy, golden brown dishes without the guilt of deep frying. Among the many brands on the market, Cosori and Philips have emerged as two of the most popular and trusted names in the air fryer industry. But with so many options available, how do you decide which brand is right for you? Cosori is celebrated for its modern designs, smart features, and budget-friendly options, while Philips is renowned for its premium quality, innovative cooking technology, and health-focused features. Both brands promise to revolutionize your cooking experience, but they cater to slightly different needs and preferences. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for smart kitchen appliances or a food lover seeking perfectly crispy results every time, this detailed comparison video will help you make an informed decision. By the end of this showdown, you'll know exactly which air fryer deserves a spot on your countertop. Let's get started. Design and features. Cosori air fryers are known for their sleek, modern designs that appeal to tech-savvy users. They often feature intuitive touchscreens with a variety of presets. Some models offer up to 13 cooking options, making them versatile for preparing a wide range of dishes. The square-shaped baskets in Cosori air fryers are not only stylish, but also practical, as they maximize cooking space compared to traditional round baskets. Many Cosori models also include smart features such as app connectivity via the VSync app and voice control compatibility with Alexa or Google Assistant. These features make Cosori air fryers ideal for users who enjoy integrating smart appliances into their kitchens. On the other hand, Philips air fryers focus on functionality and durability with a minimalist yet robust design. While they may not look as modern as Cosori models, Philips air fryers incorporate advanced technologies like rapid air technology and Twin TurboStar. These innovations improve airflow for even cooking and help remove excess fat from food, making meals healthier. While Philips models typically have fewer presets, around 4 to 8, they prioritize quality over quantity, ensuring that each setting is optimized for specific dishes. Cosori wins in terms of modern design and smart features, while Philips excels in innovation and health-focused technology. Performance. Performance is a critical factor when choosing an air fryer, and both brands deliver excellent results but in slightly different ways. Cosori air fryers are equipped with dual heating elements and 360-degree Thermo IQ technology, which ensures even cooking without the need to flip food. This makes them highly reliable for everyday use, especially for dishes like chicken wings or fries that require consistent crisping. Cosori models also heat up quickly, reducing overall cooking time. Philips air fryers are renowned for their superior performance in delivering crispy textures and evenly cooked food. The unique starfish-shaped basket design enhances airflow circulation, ensuring that food is cooked uniformly from all angles. This design is particularly effective for achieving golden brown results in dishes like fries or onion rings without requiring users to shake or flip the contents during cooking. Additionally, Philips air fryers excel at retaining moisture while crisping the exterior of food, making them a favorite among users who prioritize texture and flavor. Philips takes the lead in performance due to its innovative airflow technology and ability to produce consistently crispy results. Capacity and size options. Cosori offers a wide range of size options to cater to different household needs, from compact 3.8er models suitable for individuals or couples to large 8. 5-etal dual basket options designed for families or meal prep enthusiasts. Cosori provides flexibility and capacity. The square-shaped baskets in Cosori air fryers also offer more surface area than round baskets, allowing users to cook larger portions or multiple items at once. Philips also provides various size options, but tends to focus more on medium to large capacities. Models like the Philips Premium XXL air fryer are designed to handle family-sized portions with ease, up to 7 liters capacity. However, compared to Cosori's range, Philips offers fewer compact models, which might not be ideal for users with limited kitchen space or smaller households. equals Cosori wins this category due to its broader range of sizes and space-efficient square baskets. Inner pot materials. Both brands prioritize safety by using non-stick coated baskets that are BPA and PFOA-free. This ensures that food does not stick during cooking while maintaining health standards. However, Cosori places greater emphasis on transparency regarding its materials and eco-friendly practices, which may appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. On the other hand, while Philips also uses high-quality materials in its baskets, it is less vocal about its environmental initiatives or material sourcing. Cosori edges ahead due to its clear commitment to eco-friendly materials. Product range and price. Cosori is known for offering budget-friendly air fryers without compromising on quality or features. Prices typically range from $100 to $200, depending on the model's size and functionality. In addition to traditional basket-style air fryers, Cosori also offers innovative options like smart air fryers with app control and oven-style designs that combine multiple cooking functions in one appliance. Philips positions itself as a premium brand with higher price points, reflecting its advanced technology and durability. Prices start at around $150 for basic models and can go up to $350 or more for high-end models like the premium XXL air fryer. While Philips products are undoubtedly high quality and long-lasting, their cost may be prohibitive for budget-conscious buyers. Cosori wins in terms of affordability and value for money. However, Philips is a better choice if you're willing to invest in premium technology. Energy efficiency. Both brands are energy-efficient alternatives to traditional ovens, consuming less power while delivering faster cooking results. Cosori claims that its air fryers save up to 55% more energy compared to conventional ovens, a significant advantage for frequent users looking to reduce their energy bills. Philips air fryers are also energy efficient, but do not emphasize specific energy-saving metrics as prominently as Cosori does. However, thanks to their advanced cooking technology, like rapid air technology, they still consume less energy than traditional ovens while delivering superior results. Cosori takes the lead here due to its explicit energy-saving claims. Additional features. Cosori stands out with its array of smart features designed for convenience. Many models include app connectivity via vSync, voice control compatibility with Alexa or Google Assistant, shake reminders during cooking cycles, preheat functions, and customizable temperature settings. Some high-end models even feature dual baskets that allow users to cook two different dishes simultaneously at different temperatures, ideal for multitasking cooks. Philips focuses more on health-oriented additional features such as fat removal technology that reduces oil content by up to 90%. This makes Philips air fryers an excellent choice for health-conscious users who want guilt-free fried foods. The NutriU app provided by Philips offers access to hundreds of recipes tailored specifically for their air fryers. Cosori excels in smart features, while Philips leads in health-focused innovations. Ease of use and cleaning. Ease of use is a priority for both brands. Cosori air fryers feature user-friendly interfaces with clear touchscreens or digital displays that make selecting settings effortless. The detachable non-stick baskets are dishwasher-safe, simplifying cleanup after cooking. However, some users find larger Cosori models bulky when it comes to storage. Philips air fryers are equally easy to use with straightforward controls and preset options tailored for popular dishes like fries or chicken wings. Cleaning is hassle-free thanks to dishwasher-safe components and removable mesh layers included in some models that trap grease effectively. Both brands offer user-friendly designs and easy cleaning processes. So, which one is better? Choosing between a Cosori and a Philips air fryer ultimately depends on your priorities. If you value affordability, versatility in size options, modern designs with smart features like app control or voice commands, then Cosori is the better choice. If you prioritize premium performance, advanced airflow technology for superior crisping results, health-focused innovations like fat removal technology, or long-term durability backed by a trusted brand name, then Philips is worth the investment. Both brands deliver excellent results overall. Your decision should align with your budget and specific needs.